So yun. So parang yun sa akin yung looking back way. Kasi parang sa akin, pagka may problema ako, doon ako bumabalik. so, sa mali na yun. Um, I-add ka lang, Ate Dayan, maganda tong sinabi ni Elder Holland. Eh. Naka-quote to dito sa ating scripture block dun sa Come Follow Me manual. Sabi mo nga, tama ka, ito yung sinabi niya, apparently what was wrong with Lot's wife was that she wasn't just looking back. In her heart, she wanted to go back. So dyan yung sinasabi mo na yung puso. It would appear that even before she was past the city limits, she was already missing what Sodom and Gomorrah had offered her. Kasi yung Sodom and Gomorrah, masyadong prosperous tong city na to eh. Ito yung na-imagine ko na parang lahat nandun na.
Mhm.
So kapag umalis ka doon, paano ka? Parang, saan ka pupunta? Parang sila Layman at Limol na, di ba?
Mhm.
Mayaman na sila dun sa Jerusalem, tapos aalis pupunta ang wilderness.
Mhm.
So sabi pa ni Elder Holland, it is possible that Lot's wife looked back with resentment toward the Lord for what he was asking her to leave behind.
Mhm.
So it isn't just that she looked back longingly. In short, her attachment to the past outweigh her confidence in the future. That apparently was at least part of her sin. And sabi niya pa, I plead with you not to dwell on days now gone, nor to yearn vainly for yesterdays, however good those yesterdays may have been. The past is to be learned from but not lived in. We look back to claim the embers from glowing experiences but not the ashes. And when we have learned what we need to learn and have brought with us the best what we have experienced, then we look ahead and remember that faith is always pointed toward the future. Gustong gusto ko to na yung faith ay pointing towards the future. Sabi pa, dwelling on past lives, including past mistakes, is just not right. It is not the gospel of Jesus Christ. So kasama rin pala dito yung nagdodwell tayo sa kasalanan natin nung nakaraan na hindi pa natin na-overcome pero paulit-ulit nating pinaparusahan yung sarili natin. Ayan. Lastly, sabi niya dito, to all people of every generation, I call out, remember Lot's wife. Faith is for the future. Faith builds on the past but never longs to stay there. Faith trusts that God has great things in store for each of us and that Christ truly is the high priest of good things to come. So, ayun. Ang ganda, no? Nagustuhan ko talaga dito yung faith is pointing towards the future. I think yung nangyari kay Lot, in other words, it's Lot's wife. It's showing that meron siyang little faith and more on doubt. Kasi hindi niya siguro ma-imagine na bibigyan siya ng same life, same good life, kagaya nung iiwanan niya.
Mhm. I think yung sinabi ni President Joseph Smith din ano na it's the faith or ano tawag doon, yung trust natin sa mga prophets and leaders natin. Napaka halaga din nun. Kung iiwanan mo nga isang prosperous, isang napaka-glamorous, sabi natin, glamorous life in Sodom. And then, pupunta ka sa isang provincial or very remote na lugar. Ano, tapos, kung wala ka talagang tiwala dun sa messenger na nagsabi sa'yo na kailangan mong umalis, ay sino ba 'tong messenger na 'to? Bakit kailangan kong mamuhay ng napakapayak sa isang malayong lugar? So, kung hindi tayo titiwala sa mga prophets, malamang talaga na yung puso natin nandun pa rin sa glamorous life, 'no, na hindi natin siya makakayanan na iwanan. And kaya kailangan talaga na makinig tayo dun sa mga detalye ng mga sinasabi ng ating mga prophets and leaders. I think yung safety talaga natin nakalay doon sa pagsunod natin sa mga revelations na ibinibigay ng Diyos sa pamamagitan nila. Nalala mo nung pandemic, Lian, malaking, kumbaga it's a sifting experience among the members, ano, who will follow the prophet and who will not. Kasi merong merong counsel ng prophet na magpa-vaccinate tayo lahat.
Mm.
And then there was this faction na hindi nila gustong magpa-vaccinate. So, nandun tayo sa situation na makikita natin na, teka, magtitiwala ba tayo enough sa prophet ng Panginoon that this is safe and that this will do more good than harm? Kaysa dun sa mga nare-research natin about vaccination. So, I think it's the same as Lot's situation. Parang tatawid ka ba sa Sodom or mananatili ka sa, in my opinion lang ano, baka meron sa mga hindi nagpa-vaccine ano. So I'm not saying na may immorality in that ano, but I think merong mga pagkakataon talaga na we can find ourselves in na nagtatanong tayo sa sarili natin, susundin ko ba yung prophet or not? Siguro sa mga nagmi-mission, yung mga papunta sa mission, it doesn't make sense na yung mga 19 years olds na kalalakihan at 18 na babae at sorry, both 18 na pala no, pwede na mag-mission. So, it doesn't make sense in the world na yung mga 18 years olds ay magmi-mission. But the prophets are encouraging those who are ready to go. Yung pag-aasawa ng maaga, pagkakaroon ng malaking pamilya. So, maraming mga bagay sa mundo that doesn't make sense. But if we're following the prophet, eventually they make sense. Eventually.
Tama. Siguro i-add ko lang, nung binabasa ko to, tsaka nung lesson namin to nung Sunday, parang ang na-realize ko, parang kulang pa ako sa faith, no?
Lahat naman tayo, lahat tayo.
Kasi faith and doubt cannot coexist.
Mhm.
So, kung talagang may faith tayo sa isang bagay, dapat walang room for doubt. Kasi kung once na nag-doubt tayo, ibig sabihin, hindi natin in-exercise yung faith natin.
Mhm.
So, every time na nagda-doubt tayo, kailangan alisin natin yun. Kasi, na humihina yung faith kapag yung doubt yung nangingibabaw. So, yun yung na-remind ako kasi na-evaluate ko rin yung sarili ko kung ano na bang status.
Lian, lahat tayo
Diba?
may struggle tayo sa faith. Kasi kung walang may struggle sa faith, nakaangat na tayo sa lupa.
Wala tayo kagaya ng City of
City of
Enoch.
Enoch. kaya hindi pa talaga. So, malayo pa talaga tayong lahat. So, kaya unless we're all faithful, no? Kaya you cannot be faithful by yourself. So pag sinasabi mo, hindi, faithful naman ako. Tapos ikaw lang yung faithful among a group. So that's really not true faithfulness. Kasi yung totoong pagiging faithful, we really strive na lahat tayo dapat faithful. It doesn't work that way. Sa heaven, mag-isa ka lang. Masaya ba yun?
Iba-iba kasi tayo ng test. So, posible na like, for example, may faith ka sa law of tithing, merong iba na struggling doon. Iba may faith sa ganitong commandment, may iba na may struggle dito. So, tama, iba-iba tayo ng test of faith kasi iba-iba tayo ng kailangang specialize, i-improve.
Yes.